Hello, welcome to FountainFX on Friday the 16th of May 2014. As again we're looking at the Euro US dollar, we're on the 15-minute chart. Price, as you can see, has not been moving much. We're looking at a high here at the 137.24 down to a low of the 136.88, so we're looking at 36 points from top to bottom. So price is not really moving a lot at the moment on the Euro US dollar. However, there was a possible trade in the market today. If we look here, if I just highlight just at this point, this is the European Open at this point here. Price comes in, we suddenly go from low momentum into high momentum. You can see that in terms of the candlesticks and the move. Price turns, pulls all the way back down to this area of support, which it forms and then pushes back up. We then get a lot of wickiness, so no real clear direction in terms of the trade at this moment. So we have a low here at the 137.13. And then what starts to happen is price starts to pull back. There is a downtrend that occurs if we run it from the top to the top to the top of these candlesticks. So we can see price is pushing down here, and also we then have this area of support along the bottom. So it's forming a nice wedge or triangle pattern, if you can see. We then get the breakout of this support area here, and so a nice entry off the close of this breakout, which is the 137.10. A sell order there with your stop just above that candlestick, so 137.20, so it is 10 points of risk. So you'd have sold at that point, take it with the trend, take it with the movement, and price fell from there by basically placing a trend line. If you wanted to change this trend line and pull it down, make it more acute, because price has really fallen from that point, we would have seen a break in the trend. Sorry, it just doesn't want to do it. Breaking the trend around about here. So you could have used the trend line to stay with it, or you could have just taken 20 points as your target, and we would have been out. If you used the trend line, you'd have been out at the 136.96. So you'd have taken 17 points of profit there, or alternatively you'd have got out around about here, the 136.93. You could have even pushed it all the way down here to allow for spread. So you could have taken 23 points and allowed for your spread, etc. as well. So that's really it from FountainFX. That's all that really happened today. Market's not really doing a lot when it comes to the Euro US dollar. You can look at alternative markets. You can look at obviously the likes of the oil as well, which is pretty good on Forex, and gold. So anyway, that's it from FountainFX for this week. Have a great week, and we will talk to you on Monday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.